Now, I am unveiling the silent threats, social and environmental factors damaging human mental health. I hope this video will be more beneficial for individuals who are facing mental stress issues. We delve into the overlooked influences on mental well-being, social and environmental factors. From societal pressures to ecological challenges, we explore how these hidden stressors can wreak havoc on human mental health. Join us as we uncover the unseen forces shaping our psychological landscapes and discuss strategies for resilience in the face of adversity. While we often focus on individual experiences, it's crucial to recognize the broader context that shape our well-being. In this video, we'll shine a light on the societal and environmental challenges that impact mental health, empowering viewers with knowledge and strategies for navigating these complex issues. How societal pressures and expectations affect our daily life. Modern society is filled with pressures and expectations that can take a toll on mental health. From the pursuit of success and perfection to the stigma surrounding mental illness, societal norms can contribute to stress, anxiety, and feelings of inadequacy. We'll explore the societal factors that influence mental health outcomes and discuss ways to challenge harmful norms and promote acceptance and authenticity. How the economic inequalities and social injustice influence us to gain more stress. Economic inequality and social injustice can have profound effects on mental health, exacerbating stress, anxiety, and depression. Marginalized communities often face barriers to resources, opportunities, and social support, leading to disparities in mental health outcomes. We'll examine the impact of economic inequality and social injustice on mental well-being and discuss strategies for advocating for equity and systemic change. What is reality behind how we're going to social isolation and loneliness? In an increasingly connected world, social isolation and loneliness have become widespread concerns. Lack of social connections can contribute to depression, anxiety, and feelings of loneliness, especially among older adults and marginalized groups. We'll explore the prevalence of social isolation and loneliness, as well as strategies for fostering meaningful connections and building supportive communities. How environmental stressors and climate change influence human minds. Environmental stressors such as pollution, natural disasters, and climate change can have detrimental effects on mental health. Exposure to environmental hazards can increase the risk of anxiety, depression, and PTSD, especially in vulnerable populations. We'll discuss the psychological impacts of environmental stressors and explore initiatives for promoting environmental resilience and sustainability. Nowadays, new technologies are fascinating the world, but how these technologies damage brain. While digital technology has transformed our lives in many ways, excessive screen time can have negative effects on mental health. Social media, in particular, can contribute to feelings of comparison, inadequacy, and isolation. We'll examine the impact of digital technology on mental well-being and discuss strategies for promoting digital balance and healthy screen habits. As we conclude our exploration of the social and environmental factors damaging human mental health, we recognize the importance of raising awareness and fostering resilience. By understanding the broader context that influence mental well-being, we can work towards creating more supportive and inclusive environments for all. Join us in our commitment to promoting mental health and well-being for individuals and communities around the world.